I got into IIM. I have a different level of excitement today because I want to share some really big news. Trust me, I've been working hard for about 2 years. I seriously couldn't have stopped myself filming about this because I literally film about everything. But I got into IIM. And I know this might not be a very big deal for a lot of people, but I've been studying for the past 2 years and this is a great achievement for me. So this is going to be a video about what course I chose at IIM, which IIM I got into, and etc. And you can definitely drop in your questions in the comment box below and I would be happy to answer them in my next video. So starting off with, I got into IIM Indore. It was historically ranked number 9, but I think this year it ranks number 5. So all the more excitement. And answering the second most asked question, I applied for the executive management program. So anybody who's had an experience of more than 4 to 5 years can easily apply for this program. For this, you can give CAT, GMAT or EAT, which is their own examination. Most importantly, this is very good for people who don't want to lose their jobs or, don't want to have the risk of losing their job and then sitting for placements and then not knowing what's going to happen next. And I believe with the current state of the economy, I myself did not want to risk it. I work for a company called Ostra, which is a joint venture under S&P Global and CME. So I wasn't sure I was gonna get a similar job after cracking an MBA. Or we've all heard multiple news about people getting into IIMs but not getting good jobs afterwards or getting sales job afterwards, which is not the current role that I'm already into. So I didn't really want to switch my domain, but I wanted to play safe. And the best part is it still allows us and gives us placement assistance, which is I think a top tier feature, really like a win-win situation. And I think conclusively, I personally believe that an executive MBA is much better than a full-time MBA for people who've already started working. I think this is a much better option to take, but again, that's just my opinion. And that's kind of because it doesn't make you give up on something that you already have, but it also makes you a better candidate for the future, whether for a job, and also obviously you learn a lot from an MBA, specifically from an IIM. Most importantly, do not confuse this for a certification specifically designed for working professionals who do not want to leave their life behind or have families to cater to or have full-time jobs that they're really good at but want to have a better or do you want to upscale themselves. We all know that you can't become a director, a CEO or a certain higher senior level position without having an MBA, specifically in India. Mindset is changing slowly, but I think there's no harm in getting into an MBA, having an extra degree that helps you push like in your career. One of the things that people are concerned about money wise, this is almost half the price of a full-time MBA. So again, a win-win for about 14 to 15 lakhs. And I'm sure that's the price for this year. It's going to gradually increase with inflation, but still it's always going to be half the price of a full-time MBA. Not to forget that you're still going to be doing all sorts of networking because we've all passed the COVID stage. This campus program is equivalent to a degree. So it's equivalent to a PGDM. And another thing that I really love is that you have like an option to visit the campus. It's not a mandatory option, but anybody who really wants to have the campus feel, there's certain mandatory days where you have to visit and on the rest of the days it's optional for you. So it's like a mix of full-time and hybrid MBA, which is something I've seen for the first time. And I think only IIM Indore is the one that provides this. Yeah, I would definitely want to know if you have any questions about what I said. And I would definitely want to be the content creator girlie next door who has her master's from IIM. So thanks for watching this video, and constructive criticism is always welcome. Like, share, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.